Hello friends, welcome to our new product review video. So let's begin our new product review video. Okay, let's see.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Most uninterruptible power supplies are sealed black boxes. When the battery dies, you throw it away. But what if you could build your own from parts you can repair and upgrade? That's the idea behind this, a DIY DC UPS battery box. It's essentially an empty shell that holds six 18650 batteries, with circuits to manage charging and provide stable 5V 9V, or 12V output. I bought the kit, sourced my own batteries, built it, and stress tested it to see if it's a brilliant hack for tech tinkerers or a project best left alone. The kit is minimal. You get the main plastic enclosure, the circuit board with USB ports, voltage selection switches, and DC output ports, a set of battery contact springs, and some screws. Notice what's not included: the six 18650 batteries, a compatible AC to DC power adapter to charge it, and any DC cables. This is a true DIY project. This is the most important part. You must use high-quality, protected 18650 batteries from reputable brands like Samsung, LG, Panasonic, Molicel. Do not use old, unidentified laptop poles or cheap batteries without protection circuits. They can be a fire risk. I'm using 6 new Samsung 35E cells for this build. You'll also need a matching 12.6-volt DC power adapter to charge them. Assembly is straightforward. Install the contact springs in the case, insert your 6 batteries in the correct orientation, it's marked, place the circuit board on top, and screw the case shut. The hardest part is making sure all battery contacts are secure. No soldering is required. Plug in the 12.6-volt DC adapter, show the LEDs lighting up, demonstrate the voltage selection switch and the different output ports. Once assembled, plug in the DC adapter. LEDs will show charging status. On the side, you have a switch to select 5V, 9V, or 12V output. You have 2 USB-A ports for 5V devices and 2 DC barrel output ports for the selected voltage. There's also a manual power switch. Connect your router and modem to the 12V DC output via a splitter cable. Unplug the charging adapter and start a timer. With my 3500 milliamp cells, I got about 2.5 hours of backup time. You can get more runtime with higher capacity cells. Use the USB ports to charge a phone and a tablet simultaneously. In 5V mode,